Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can master TikTok collaborations effortlessly. If you want faster growth, better reach, strong engagement, the collaborations are one of the smartest moves that you can make. So TikTok collaborations work because they combine the audiences. Instead of growing alone, you tap into the someone else's viewers while they tap into yours. But many creators struggle because they overcomplicate the process. So first of all, you need to focus on the right partners, not just the big numbers. A smaller creator with a highly engaged audience is often more valuable than a huge account with low interaction. So you need to look for the similar niches, similar content style, and overlapping viewers. For example, you can come here on tiktok.com. Afterwards, you can click on the explore option over here. After clicking on the explore, it is going to show you a bunch of different tabs here on the top based on your niche. So you can click on any one of these. For example, you create the content in the relationship niche. So in the relationship niche, it is going to show you all of the TikToks that are basically getting viral these days. So you can click on the username that has basically created these videos, and then if you see that the followers of this particular person and the content matches to your content as well, you can just send them a message and ask for the collaboration. So you need to make the collaborations feel more natural. The biggest mistake is forcing the content that doesn't even match either creator's personality. So the best collabs feel like something both of you would normally post. So this keeps the video authentic, which TikTok algorithms love. So the next thing that you need to keep in mind is to keep the idea of the video simple. You don't need complex scripts or the productions. Duets, stitches, reactions, challenges, and the shared stories formats work extremely well here on TikTok. The easy concepts reduce the friction and increase the chance that both the creators actually publish. Now, you need to also communicate clearly. You need to decide who posts, when to post, and what the call to action is. The confusion kills collaborations more than anything else. Finally, think of long term. One-off collaborations are good, but repeated partnerships build familiarity and trust with the audience, which often leads to the stronger growth. So if this video helped you understand how you can approach to the TikTok collaborations the smartest way possible, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.